Om friends, welcome to our channel Zazen Tarot Space. In today's reading, we will see what the month June 2023 is bringing for our Libran friends. Let us first shuffle and pull out our cards, and then we will move to the reading. And our last few cards. So we have our cards ready. So Librans, these are your cards. Let us first look at your oracle cards and then the tarot cards. So the first card is Temple. This is a fantastic card in terms of what is coming up in life. I see a lot of positivity. Life will create an environment of reverence around you. You will feel thankful. You will feel that life is sanctuary for you. Also, this is a fantastic month where the barriers between you and that which you worship can be broken down. The barriers between you and that which you value will be broken down. Barriers between you and what you find sacred will be broken down. And that brings a lot of potential in this month. Why? Because everybody worships different things. For someone, work is worship. For someone, love is worship. For someone, spirituality or God is worship. And this month will give you an opportunity to identify what is important to you. What is it that you like to spend time with? Not only will life give you an opportunity to identify what you enjoy spending time with, but also that life will allow you, give you ample time with that which is extremely important to you, that which is sacred for you. And whatever barriers that you had between yourself and that which is important and sacred for you, that which is most important for you, those barriers life is gonna break now. So all kind of negativity will dissolve. All difficulties that had been cropping up, all that you felt was not materializing in that area of life which you value the most, will now materialize in this month, which is fantastic. Your next oracle card is the Parrot Spirit. Watch your words. An absolute contrast here, where I see so much happening for you in your favor. There I see that there is a risk, there is a chance that you may repeat certain negative words which you have been hearing either about yourself or about others. You may either say those words to others which will hurt them, or you may say those words to yourself which will hurt you and inhibit your growth. So when the Parrot Spirit is coming up, you really need to be careful to talk positively and think positively. Give compliments to people, be thankful, say your thank yous, say your sorries. Speak a nurturing language. Speak words that heal people and think thoughts that heal you. Whatever, this is a month, when you will probably just parrot whatever you hear. So you need to be careful about what you're talking to others, and you need to be mindful of all the self-talk that you do. Give yourself compliments. Write out a list of 100 things that you love about yourself, 100 compliments that you've heard about yourself. Listen to positive affirmations. Very important for you for this month, because it is only when you do that that this opportunity can be made full use of, which is coming up for you. Okay, Prairie King Snake. Shed. How can I know myself as bigger than any fear? Again, you're allowing your fears to crop up in this month. But the good part is, with this card, I see a transition happening in this coming month. You may start off with a lot of negative self-talk, but eventually towards the end of the month, you would have shed all the fears, the doubts, the negative things that you say to yourself, which kind of pull down your confidence or make you doubt things around you, make you doubt whatever offers are coming your way. So these are your oracle cards. Now I'm going to pull out and see if we've already pulled out. Let us see what the tarot cards that we've pulled out are. Nine of Swords, again negative thinking. Okay, Librans, you need to be watchful. You will have sleepless nights. You will worry. You will really feel scared and tensed, and you will worry yourself sick. You need to go towards positive thinking. The Hangman. See, again, the moment you release, you just kind of you say, okay, the temple will take care of it, the higher power will take care of it. The moment you say that and you surrender, you will see that your perspective shifts from the negative self-talk to the positive self-talk, from the fear self-talk to the I can do it kind of self-talk. And once your thoughts turn positive, once your perspective turns positive, you will go closer to that. The Hangman promises it will take you closer to that which is important to you, which you worship. That shift of perspective will happen in this month. That shift from negative to positive thoughts will happen in this month. That is the most important thing that is coming for you. It is a very internal thing, because life is giving you an opportunity, but you will be able to take it as you shift from the mind. The mind shifts from negative to positive. Your last tarot card here is the Strength card. Fantastic. Perfect story coming up for you. So, Librans, you will find inside you the strength to really kind of, catch hold of your talking mind. which is talking negative. And the moment you do that, you will see things go in your favor. Now, I can see that it is all about the mind for you and the thoughts for you, but still, let's take out the other cards for you, which tell us about what mood you will be in, what mind frame, etc. Traveling. Okay, you will have your mind wandering all over the place, which is not such a bad place. It will be in an imaginative space, which is good. Just imagine the positive. You will need this. You can imagine the positive to, imagine all the positive things so that it helps you shed your fears. A lot of visualization will help you in this month. Exhaustion, yes, of course. Of course, you're worrying yourself sick, you will get tired, your mind will get tired. Once it gets tired, well, then it's going to be very difficult. So stay positive. The outsider. Now, what I see here is that the reason for your negative thinking could also be that you are continuously feeling left out, or you're feeling that people are not allowing you to participate, or that which is sacred to you, you are not being able to connect to it. Life is not giving you that which is important to you. But as the shift happens, life will give you exactly that which is important to you. Now, your last three cards, Librans, the individual areas of your life. So we'll start with finances here. The Devil. Nice card, because with the Devil card here, I see you will be like, I have to earn, I have to increase my finances. You will have this kind of an obsession for money and finances and income this month, and increasing your income also. On the flip side, you will also be, I really want to live life king size. I want to spend on everything that I want to buy, or I want to splurge. And you're going to do both. You're going to earn a lot and you're going to spend a lot. So yeah, it's like indulgences, financial indulgences, material indulgences is what I see here. Your next card, Libran, the High Priestess for career. Fantastic. You will be guided intuitively in terms of your career, in terms of your workplace, business. You will know what the right decisions are instinctively. Also, you may find someone around you who is a very wise person, who is a very mature person, sorted person, who will be able to give you those special tips which will take you on to the completely next level in terms of your work and career. Now, your last card for love and relationships, the Magician card. So for those of you who are single, this is a good time to mingle. And for those of you who are married or in a relationship, this is a fantastic time to enjoy life together, like really enjoy life together. So a lot of positive things coming for you, Librans. You really need to shift that thought process to be able to completely embrace all the goodies, wondrous things that are coming your way. So all the best. Have a lovely month ahead. Take care of yourselves, and I will meet you in the next video again. Bye-bye.